Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your toilet. For this we're going to be using a pair of pliers and a wax ring with a gasket. You want to make sure you remove all your wax from your floor flange and the base of the toilet. You want to take your wax ring with gasket and firmly press it over the hole on the base of the toilet so it stays by itself. You want to spin your toilet around so that your holes on the base of your toilet match up with your mounting bolts that are hooked to the flange. Make sure that your gasket with wax ring goes down the hole in the middle of the flange. After your toilet is in place, take your washers and your nuts and place them over the mounting bolts and tighten down evenly on each side. That way you don't tighten down one side more than the other and crack your porcelain. What I like to do is actually push on one side, tighten it down, push on the other, tighten it down, and keep working your way back and forth. After your mounting bolts are nice and tightened, you're going to install your supply line to your water tank. Take your supply line, tuck any extra hose back behind the toilet, and push the supply line into the fill valve. Make sure you don't over tighten this part because it's compression fitting and there's a washer inside that if you over tighten it, it'll actually smash it and you'll leak. And there you have it. That's how you can reset a toilet. Thanks for watching. Good luck with this project.